Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. It's 2021, you might be in lockdown or maybe lockdown's been lifted and now you're revising for your theory test and preparing yourself for your driving test. Let's go through this video. We're going to give you a few clips of how to prepare yourself for the hazard perception as well as your driving lessons and your driving test, because hazard perception allows you to be a bit more alert when you're driving. So let's go through some of the clips. Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe for all the latest videos as well as all the latest updates regarding your driving test, your theory test. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do watch our other videos where we go through how to pass your theory test, how to pass your driving test, how to impress your driving examiner. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM.